Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the host's IP or hostname, a valid user account, and that remote desktop is enabled. Once done, open your RDP client and enter the host and username. Pick network-level authentication when available because it adds early authentication security. Make sure the host firewall allows port 3389 and that you're on the same network or via VPN/port forwarding. These steps get you from zero to the first handshake, so the client can begin negotiating credentials and display settings. Next, refine session options so the connection is efficient and secure. You choose display resolution, color depth, and resource redirection like clipboard or local drives. These affect bandwidth and user experience. Then configure authentication and certificate handling to prevent man-in-the-middle risks, and decide if sound or microphone should be redirected. Once configured, consider saved credentials for convenience, but understand the security trade-offs. Set reconnection and session timeout policies, so the session behaves predictably if the network hiccups or you need to resume later. To finish, authenticate and accept the server certificate so the session can establish. You should verify the remote desktop displays correctly and that keyboard, mouse, and clipboard input work. Test a quick file transfer or open a local drive to confirm redirection. Once connected, tweak performance settings if you see lag. If things go wrong, check the common culprits. Correct IP or DNS resolution, firewall rules and port 3389, VPN status, and the remote account's permissions. Restarting the remote desktop service on the host.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.